Hello again, this is Jason from AdForce Group, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the first step of the three-step process when we build a fan page. So, in the last video, I showed you what it looks like to connect through Splashtop, so we're going to go ahead and start with that again. Alright, so you go ahead and allow access. So the first thing we like to see is have your Facebook up. We're going to go ahead and take a look and make sure that everything looks fine. Now, this Facebook definitely will not work. What we're going to need is an active Facebook that's been active for quite some time. When friends, we're going to check your activity log to make sure that you're actually using this and that it has a history. If it doesn't have any of those things, we're not going to be able to look. The second thing we're going to look at is to make sure you haven't used your ads manager. So what that's going to look like. And basically it should look like this. If you have used a campaign, we're not going to be able to use this. We do need a clean ads manager. So we're going to go back to Facebook. Alright, so once we take a look at everything and everything checks out, we're going to go ahead and come up here and create a page. I'm going to call this one Super Food. And we usually fill this out. I'm going to skip it because this is just an example. Alrighty then. So this is what it's going to look like. And we're just going to go into About and we're going to fill out some of this information for our page. And we'll go back into here. And we're going to start adding some content. So I've already downloaded a couple things here onto the desktop of this computer. So we're going to go ahead and come in here. We'll add a logo. And then we'll add a banner. Alright, that looks good. So, and then we're just going to add some content onto this page to kind of fill it out. Now, because this is only an example, I'm not going to fully fill this one out, but you'll get the general idea. So we'll add something like this, and we'll publish it. And we're going to usually add 3 to 4 of these kind of links, and then we'll add another one. And Facebook always gets in the way a little bit. And we'll schedule a few out in between our steps. Okay, so we have that in there and we have one scheduled. Again, we usually put a lot more, but this is just for the example. And then we're going to create a business manager. And go ahead and create that account. All right. So we're going to come in here. We're going to claim that page we just made. There we go. What we're also going to do is add one of our own payment methods. Later in step 2, we're going to be promoting this page and we pay for that. So Jenna will come in here, we'll either move it off the screen or zoom out, and we'll enter that method there. And finally, to make sure that none of your friends see that this page is connected to your account, or you don't get anything from the account that might come up through your email, we turn the notifications off. So we'll come in here. We'll make sure it's not a part of your favorites, and then we will turn these notifications off. Okay, looks good. And then we will return you to your feed. And that's it. That is step 1. In step 2, like I said earlier, we add a couple more content and we schedule out again and we promote the page. And step 3, which is the fastest step, we go ahead and move it forward to our partners. And that's it. That's all we do. Again, this is Jason with AdForce Group, and thank you for watching.